Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve 2 power x plus 2 power x plus 2 power x equal 20 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. So if I'll take 2 power x as common, so 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal 20. So 2 power x times 3 equal 20. Now if I'll divide both sides by 3, so this will cancel out. So 2 power x equal 20 by 3. Now I am taking log on both sides. So it becomes x log 2 equal log 20 by 3 as per log rule. Log a power b, we can write it as b log a. Now log a by b, we can write it as log a minus log b. So x log 2 equal log 20 minus log 3. Now if I'll divide both sides by log 2, so this will cancel out. X equal log 20 minus log 3 by log 2. So x equal log 20 by log 2 minus log 3 by log 2. Now 20 I can write it as 2 times 10 by log 2 minus log 3 by log 2. Again I am using the same identity, log 2 times a times b as log a plus log b by log 2 minus log 3 by log 2. So x is equals to log 2 by log 2 plus log 10 by log 2 minus log 3 by log 2. So this will cancel out. X equal 1 plus log 10, I can write it as 5 times 2 by log 2 minus log 3 by log 2. So x is equals to 1 plus log 5 plus log 2 by log 2 minus log 3 by log 2. So x is equals to 1 plus log 5 by log 2 plus log 2 by log 2 minus log 3 by log 2. So this will cancel out again. So it gives 1. Now this 1 plus 1 is 2 and this we can write it as log 5 with base 2 minus log 3 with base 2. So this is the value of x. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.